Guys, almost everyone of us use mobile phones nowadays, and we use mobile phones to do various kind of tasks nowadays. But the main task that we do on our mobile phones is, that we make and receive voice calls. And basically nowadays, in today's smartphones, generally on nowadays new smartphones, they come with something called as VoLTE calling feature. So guys, please watch this video, as in this video I'll be explaining you this VoLTE calling feature. Hi guys, and my name is Asrar, and you are watching my YouTube channel Asrar TechPlus. So guys, let's start the video. Okay, so guys, first of all, the full form of VoLTE calling feature is voice over LTE calling. So basically, what is this feature and what are the advantages? What is the use of this feature? So basically, using VoLTE calling feature, you can make and receive regular voice calls, using your phone's 4G network. And also you can send and receive SMS messages faster on a VoLTE network. And guys, if I mean regular voice calls, I'm not talking about any kind of WhatsApp calls or any other application voice calls. I'm talking about regular voice calls. And guys, yes, truly you can make and receive voice calls using your phone's 4G network with the help of VoLTE calling feature. Another advantage of using this VoLTE calling feature is that basically using VoLTE calling feature, you can continue to use your there are mostly chances that you can continue to use your phone's 4G internet data network even while during regular voice calls. So basically before, when there was no VoLTE feature, what used to happen that basically, for example, say like you used to do some downloading in something like uploading stuff, or you used to use your phone's 4G internet and say like, for example, when you used to receive an important voice call, regular voice call, so what used to happen is that basically your phone's 4G network your phone's mobile data network used to get disconnected for a temporary amount of time, and your phone's network used to switch back to 3G or 2G from 4G, and this used to interrupt your internet services even while on calls. Or like, for example, say like when you used to call somebody, or when you used to make a call to somebody, what used to happen is that basically your phone's mobile network used to switch back from 3G to 2G and used to get disconnected from the 4G internet 4G internet for a temporary amount of time, and your your phone used to switch back to 2G or 3G network. And well, now guys, because of VoLTE, there are lots of chances that your phone's mobile network will stay on 4G, and also because of that, there are lots of chances that you can continue to use your phone's 4G internet services even during regular voice calls using this VoLTE calling feature. And that is because VoLTE, first of all, works itself on your phone's 4G network. It uses your phone's 4G network, and using VoLTE also you can make and receive voice calls using your phone's 4G network. Now guys, another advantage which I know about this VoLTE calling feature is that basically that using VoLTE calling feature, you will get faster call setup or connecting times in VoLTE network. And guys, another advantage which I know about this VoLTE calling feature is that basically you will be able to experience calls in crystal clear HD quality using VoLTE network. But guys, in order for you to experience regular voice calls in in HD, crystal clear HD quality, your phone, your handset, and the other party to whom you are speaking to, both of the handsets must support VoLTE calling feature, and they must have VoLTE calling feature turned on. And especially they must have 4G of course, and they must also support HD quality calling feature. Otherwise you will not be able to experience calls in crystal clear HD quality. You have to remember this one thing. Now guys, I have told you advantages of this VoLTE calling feature that I know, but also there is a drawback guys, and the one drawback is that basically not all handsets support this VoLTE calling feature. And if you want to experience VoLTE calling feature, or if you want to use VoLTE calling feature on your device, then you must be sure that your smartphone or your tablet supports VoLTE calling feature or not. So you can just check whether your device supports a VoLTE calling feature or not by just by just checking your device specifications, and there you can see there you can check for VoLTE calling feature compatibility. And guys, also let me just tell you one more thing, that nowadays and most of the new smartphones today in the market, they have VoLTE calling feature supported, and also they do support VoLTE calling feature, and also they have VoLTE calling feature turned on by default. And guys, so for some reason, say like if your device supports a VoLTE calling feature, but you're not able to but still if you're not able to access the VoLTE calling feature or get VoLTE calling feature on your smartphone, then that means that you have to enable the feature, turn on the feature by yourself. So to do that, you just have to go to the settings of your smartphone, and you just have to go to the connection settings of your smartphone, and you just have to go to the mobile network settings of your smartphone, and there you can find an option to enable VoLTE calling feature. This is how to enable VoLTE calling feature. You can follow the similar steps to enable VoLTE calling feature on your device, on your tablet or on your smartphone. So guys, I have told you all the details that I know about this VoLTE calling feature, and guys, I hope that you have gained some knowledge from this video. And guys, if you have liked this video, then please be sure to press the like button, and of course if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind. Bye bye.